Leo and I have gone through droughts before. We made it through it. The horses are still here, but I still continue to worry. You know, and this herd, there's two owners out here, the Conservancy and my horses. And this herd isn't a herd if we split that herd up. This herd needs to stay together, needs to grow. It needs a permanent home. And that's one of E-Jazz's Khan's goal with the film Vanishing Knowledge. Like I said, it started out as a documentary and made into a movie, but it's what's going to happen to these horses when I'm gone. My children, I know, will do the best they can and probably try to do more than they should just to keep this legacy going. I'm hoping there's other people that will have that same passion, but you know, we haven't gotten here with these horses, and none of us would be here. None of us would be here enjoying this and being around these horses. You know, we wouldn't have had some help all along the way. Some of it was just a thank you, you know, for doing what you're doing. You know, like I say, I'm not getting any younger. I wouldn't mind being 10 years younger. Me too. But I'm concerned, you know. I'm concerned about a future for the whole herd, and not just the Conservancy's herd, because we need the genetics of this whole herd. We need it, and we need to have this herd grow. I need to sell horses in order to pay expenses. It hurts me every time I sell a horse, because I take them away from their family and their social structure. But it makes me feel better when I know they have a good home. You know, they're very amazing horses, very. And they have such a unique history. And they have such a powerful connection with people. And I've seen these horses help so many people for the better in their lives. It's helped me. You know, I dealt with a lot of anger coming out of Vietnam. I deal with cancer. I've had it 17, 18 years. You know, but it's helped me to continue. It's helped me to be a better person. And it's also given me the opportunity to meet so many wonderful people and be able to continue to tell the story of these horses and hopefully build that continuation of meeting people. And it doesn't take much help, you know. Enough people, $10 a month makes a huge difference. Huge. I'm so happy that, you know, you all have some really wonderful smiley faces, even after all this hot weather. We had a wonderful teacher to work with, and we all make new friends. And hopefully this friendship can continue to further the future of these horses. So with that, I thank you all so very, very kindly for being here. It does mean a lot. And I wish my brother was here. I wish my parents were here to see this. But, you know.
I know it's spring.
They're not mine.
Praying for rain, and there you go.
But thank you all. You know, enjoy your last day here at the clinic. I know it's been a learning experience, and when you learn it and you enjoy it, you learn so much more. You know, so thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.